Would you like to study in top Malaysian public universities? QETC will be organizing a special education fair for Malaysian well-known prestigious universities such as University Technology Malaysia, UTM, University Putra Malaysia, UPM, University Technology Mera, UITM, and International Islamic University Malaysia, IIUM. If you are a postgraduate applicant, master, or PhD, this fair is for you. You can directly apply your application with top Malaysian public universities. Visit the QETC Study in Malaysia with Top Public Universities Education Fair at El Hirde Hotel Hargeisa on 5th of November 2020 from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Book your free seat on the link below. www.qetc.com.my/public universities.